There are just so many different ways to cook eggs. Right now, showing you two different, one being the perfect poached egg, and then one as an emulsion, also known as a hollandaise. It's a sauce that binds acid to fat. The fat being butter, egg yolks, and acid, lemon. I prefer lemon juice. You can use white wine vinegar, champagne vinegar. You just need something very acidic. But I prefer lemon. It just has that natural freshness, that little bit of sweetness. It really comes through in a nice, fatty, rich sauce like a hollandaise. You're gonna season the yolks and the acid at this point, and then again towards the end. All recipes, you're building flavor. Making sure they're combined. Then I'm gonna put it over a bain-marie. Just a water bath. It ensures something delicate like an egg yolk to not get overheated. I don't wanna scramble those eggs. A little secret that I do to make sure that it's strong is I actually use my fingertips. You almost want that egg yolk to be sticky, and we're almost there. Again, that just means that it's cooked enough. Eggs will get tough the more they cook. And you can start to smell that lemon at this point too. So a couple tablespoons at a time. And Chris, if you can come watch this for me.
Yes, chef.
All right, the perfect poached eggs. I have two secrets for you. Both start with the letter V. The first V, vinegar. Just using a little white vinegar, because vinegar is an acid. So an acid is gonna coagulate the protein in the egg. Second V, vortex. You wanna have a nice, large whirlpool all around your pot, because when I drop the egg in, it'll make sure there's that tadpole shape. See this? Perfect whirlpool. I like to give it a quick little push around, making sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. You can see that perfect shape is forming. Excellent. It's just starting to float a little bit. Once it comes to the top, it's ready. I want that nice, tough white, and a nice gooey center. You can almost see how it just kind of curls up a little bit. Oh, yeah. Again, perfect touch. I can see the jiggle inside. Smell that ham. So buttery, so silky. I could put this sauce on pretty much everything. A little bit of fresh tarragon. The freshness will add with that rich creaminess. Let's see if we have that gooey yolk. Oh, yeah. We'll share this.